Hello everybody, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalysts. So today's in this video I'm going to show you the best way to build a high converting landing page for free of cost. And later in this video I will give you some free templates that you can use. So for building the landing page we are going to use a free platform called system.io. So what you need to do, just click the first link from the description below, then you will come to this page. Then here you just need to enter your email and you just need to set up your password. Then you will automatically logged in into the system.io dashboard. And now for building the landing page, we have these features called sales funnels. And then here we need to create the funnels, and on the funnels we will create the first step. It means the squeeze page, or you can say it landing page. And we can build a landing page by using the another features called blocks features, but that feature is only used for building the complete website. So you can do lots of things by using this platform. You can do email marketing, you can create courses, and you can do lots of things using the system.io platform. So I will be very specific for this video because this is a short video about the landing page tutorial. So for building the landing page, you can click here create and you can just type the name of the landing page. I will just simply write it landing page, and then here you will got a free subdomain. So just automatically select it and then choose your funnel goal. So from here we will choose custom, and from here choose the currency. So I will just remove this one and I will make it US dollars. Then I will click save. Then here you can see our landing page is created. Now we have to click here, and here we have to create the steps, the squeeze page, or you can say landing page. So let's click here add step, and here I will just write down here landing page. And from the type sections, here you can see so many options we have, but from here just choose this one, a squeeze page. And now you can choose a template and you can start from scratch. So first of all, you are a beginner, so I will recommend you choose a template, select these features, and then click save. And here you can see you will got lots of pre-built templates that you can use. So from here I will choose one template. So first of all I will see the preview of the template. So for seeing the preview of any templates, you just need to click here preview template, and we can see the preview of the templates. So this way, if you don't like any of the templates from this page, you can just click here next and it will be redirect to the next page, and here you can see lots of other templates. So yeah, these templates looks fine, so I will just click here select, and this template will be automatically selected. And now here you can see if we click here view funnel step, then see this is our landing page. Okay, so first of all you can see here this is our subdomain, and after the subdomain we have this text. So for changing this permalink text, come over here and just make it landing page, and then click here and it would be saved. Okay, a landing page, I will just make it double E, then it will be saved. And now if you click here view final step, then you can see our subdomain, then we have this landing page text. So yeah, this way you can change your permalink text. Now let's say we want to customize the landing page. So for customizing the landing page, we have to click here edit page. So here the dashboard will be look like this. So first of all, for changing the text, just double click here, select the text and write your text over here. So the same way, if you want to change this button text, just need to click here, and from here you can see button text. I will just make it learn more, and the text will be changed. Now changing the text is so simple, just you need to click the text and you just need to change it. Now for changing the text color, just you need to click the text, you need to select all of the text, and then here you can see this color options. So just click here and you can make the text into any color. See, it's now yellow color. So I'll select all of the text, I'll click here and I will make the text into black color. So yeah, this way you can change the text color. So let's say we want to change this button background color. So just click the button and scroll down below. Here you can see button properties. Now just need to scroll down below, and here you can see the background color. So click here and make the background color into whatever color you want. So I will make the background color into this yellow color or this color, and I will make the text color into black color. So from here just make the text color into black color, then it's gonna be look like this. It would be changed. Now let's say you want to delete this images, you don't need this, so just delete and click OK. And the same way you can change this about and contact us sections, or you can delete this complete entire row. Then all the element of this row will be deleted. Now it's look like this. And let's say you want to change the background image of this background. So just click the sections, and here you can see the hero background PNG. If I delete this one, then see it's now blank. So I will make the background color into fully white. So it's gonna be look like this. So I'm going to make it something look like this. So yeah, you got it. This way you can edit any text, or you can customize any of the element of this landing page. So you will learn how to edit and how to change any of the text or customize any of the text or button or background or anything. You learn this. Now let's say you want to create a sections manually. Like if we just open our website FunnelAnalysts.com, and here if we click templates, and then let's say on this template here we have this logo, then this text, and this video. If you want to create this kind of landing page, custom landing page, then you can watch our video. I create a complete video how to create this landing page, affiliate marketing landing page. You can watch the video, but for this one I will show you the simple steps. So let's say we want to create here. So what we need to do, we just need to drag these sections over here. Then it would be add a sections and add a row. Now click the sections and make the content width into white. And then what we need to do, just come over here. So first of all we have the logo. So for that we have to add this image, and then we have the text. So we'll add the headline text. Then we have some subtext. So for that we will add this text element here. And then we have this, here you can see here logo, text, and then the video. So you don't need the subtext, so I will just delete this one, and we will add the video element. So this video element just drag over here, and now we just need to add those elements. So I'll click the image, and I will click image file, and I'll click upload, and from here you can just upload your images. I'll click here your images, and from here I will choose any of the demo images. So let's say I will choose this image and click insert. Then the logo will be added over here. Now for decreasing the size, from here you can see on the left side the image size, we can just decrease and increase. And here we have the text. So for adding the text we just need to double click here, and you can add any of the text over here. So now let's say you want to change that text typography. So how can you do that? So just click that, select the text. I mean, just you need to click the text, then these properties will appear. Now here you can see font type. From here choose Google Fonts, and from here choose any of the fonts you want. So I will click Poppins, and it's going to be look like this, and I will make it Poppins semi-bold, or Poppins, yeah, semi-bold will be fine. Now here we need to just add the video element. So for adding the video element, just you need to copy the video link, or you can also import the video. From here you can choose upload file, then you can upload your custom video, but I will just add a video from here. Here you can see on our YouTube channel we have created lots of videos, lots of other videos that you can definitely watch. So I'll just copy this video URL and come over here, and I will just paste the URL over here. Then see the video element will be changed. Yep. And now here you can see we have this button. So for adding the button or text, we just need to drag the element. I mean, whatever element you need to add, you just need to drag the element over here. Let's say we need to add the button. So from here you can see this button element. So just drag the button element over here, click the button, and from here action when button, submit form, make it into open URL, and then scroll down below, and here we just need to write the button text. Let's say subscribe, and then on the below you can see subtext. So I just remove the subtext, and now the button is look like this. Now let's change the button fonts. Now let's change the button fonts and make the button font size little 22 pixels and make it bold. Then it's gonna be look like this. And if you want to change the button colors, then scroll down below, and from here you can change the button color. Okay, the button color, and let's make the text color into black, then the text will be appeared. Yep, that's it. And you can see all the properties over here. I mean, for changing the text, you just need to click here and you just need to change the text, and below that you will have all the customization properties, like changing the background color, changing the text color, adding borders, adding solid stroke colors. Here you can see that on the bottom it have this stroke. So if you want to change the stroke colors, click here and the stroke color will be changed. And if you need to increase the border radius, then I will just click here and I will make the border radius this much, and see the border is radius now. And on the solid border color, if you want the border into all of the side, then you can make it full border, or if you just need it in only one corner, then I will just make it bottom only, then it will be added on the bottom only. And then we have these shadow features. Here you can, if you click hard shadow, then the shadow will be appeared. I will just make it soft shadow. And then we have these other options. Yep, this way you can just create your custom thing. So yep, so once you are done with the customizations, then just click save and your landing page will be saved. Now you need to click here settings, and from here scroll down below, and here you just need to untick this one, hide from search engines. If you don't untick these ones, then your landing page won't be indexed on Google search engines. So for indexing your site on Google search engines, you just need to untick these features, then your landing page will be indexed on Google Search Console. And then click save and click exit page. Now if I click here view funnel step, then you can see it changed. So yeah, this is a process to build a landing page using the templates, and you can customize it. So this template is not that much professional, so what I will do, I will just come over here, I will just delete this one. Okay, now on our site, just visit our FunnelAnalysts.com site and then come to this templates page. Then here you will get so many templates, and I am building other templates, so those templates will be added over here. Then you can just import those templates. So let's say here's I have built a demo templates, landing page templates. So let's say you want to import this template, so you just need to click here import now, and it will automatically import it. So here you can see it shows funnel was not shared because you are the owner of this funnel. So if I just open my another account, then it would be imported. Here I will just open my system.account. So I will just logged in from here, then I will click stay connected and then click sign in. So I will just open my Gmail and I will just copy this verification code. Then I will just come over here, paste the code, and I will just select trust this device, then click sign in. Then see this account is signed in. Now if I come over here and if I just click here import now, then see this template. Okay, you have exceeds multiple limits on your current plans. So here you can see sites. I have so many templates, so I will just have to delete this template, because on the system.free plan we can have only 3 sales funnels. So now I come over here and I will just click import and see the funnel added to my account, and see it's now in the progress. Now if I just reload the page, here you can see new SIR templates is imported. Now if I just click view, then see the templates is imported here, same to same. Now you just need to click the templates and you just need to click edit page, and then you just need to customize the template. Just add your text, add your video, and add your call to actions. Then just click save, and from the setting options just untick these features and you're good to go. So yep everybody, that's it for this particular video. If you need more templates, then just visit our template sections, and from here we will build lots of premium templates, and we will provide those templates to you for free of cost. And if you really want to learn more things, then just come to our YouTube channel, and here we have built so many videos about system.io, landing page, sales funnel building, and so many other things.